You must have heard the story of a thirsty crow who was looking for water on a hot sunny day. He found a jar of water. But the water level was too low and it seemed impossible to reach the water. So, he patiently put one stone after another in the vessel. Due to these small efforts, the water level rose and he could drink the water inside the jar. Similarly, it is essential to be patient when investing. Let's understand this with an example. Mr. Ajay has a financial goal of saving rupees 50 lakhs for abroad studies for his daughter in 15 years, when his daughter will turn 18. Affording such a huge amount of fees for his daughter's education seems out of his reach. So, just like the crow, Ajay starts putting aside rupees 10,506 every month. He does that by investing in mutual funds through a systematic investment plan, that is SIP. When the time comes, Mr. Ajay will have enough savings to make his daughter's dream a reality. With an assumed 12% CAGR, he will accumulate rupees 50 lakhs by the time his daughter reaches 18. Start investing in mutual funds through SIP and make your dreams a reality. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.